Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to begin. Open Instagram and go straight to Story Camera. First, pick or record the media you want, photos or short videos, and trim clips so the narrative flows. Once done, make sure location and camera permissions are enabled. This lets you tag places and capture authenticity. Also, check your connection so uploads don't stall. You're now positioned to layer content, stickers, and context that tell why this place matters to you. Now you elevate the story. Add a location sticker so viewers know where you are, then include music to set tone. Trim the track to the best 15-30 seconds. You should also use interactive stickers like polls or questions to boost engagement. Mention people with @ to notify them. Once applied, style text with size and color choices and use drawing tools sparingly. Make sure to tap and hold elements to reorder layers. So you're at the finish line. Pick who sees it, close friends or everyone, and toggle save to camera roll if you want a backup. Tap share to post the story or send it directly to people. Once live, add key moments to highlight so they persist. If something goes wrong, retry the upload on a stable Wi-Fi, force close and reopen Instagram, or update the app. If location or stickers don't appear, check app permissions and privacy settings to restore full functionality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.